A powerful hearing about changing the law in cases of sexual assault to help put more rapists behind bars. 5 Investigates' Karen Anderson has been covering this issue for years, and she was inside that hearing today.
Should the passage of time prevent a rape suspect from being prosecuted, even when there's DNA evidence available? Supporters of a bill here on Beacon Hill today want the answer to be a resounding no.
I was actually raped 25 years ago today at the age of 18, walking from my car to my campus dorm.
Caitlin Scammon talking on Monday, the anniversary of the attack, about why she's asking Beacon Hill for help.
I think people should be outraged that you can match DNA and that person can just walk free. I don't think that's fair or right.
Caitlin took her story to her state representative, Adam Scanlon, to do what 35 other states have already done: eliminate the statute of limitations for rape when there is DNA evidence.
Today I'm here to ask you to come together and pass this bill.
A bill that would do just that was before the Joint Committee on the Judiciary today. Another survivor telling the committee about her wait for justice more than 30 years after she and a coworker were raped in a Framingham clothing store.
He terrorized and raped both of us that day.
I did my part. I completed a rape kit.
Her coworker Jennifer testified virtually. Both women agreeing to be identified for the first time, hoping their stories persuade lawmakers to act.
Please understand how devastating it is to survivors to be told that the amount of time that has gone by will affect them receiving justice.
I've been searching for justice, and I'm not going to stop. I want to ask the state of Massachusetts not to give up on the fight for justice either.
The committee listened to hours of testimony on this and several other bills, but will wait to take a vote on whether to support these bills. At the State House, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.